In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare plans in Evernote. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go, what to look at, and how to decide which plan best fits your needs. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type in Evernote and press enter. This will bring up a Google search results page related to Evernote. You should see the official Evernote website appear near the top of the results. Take a moment to make sure you're clicking on the official site, which will usually have evernote.com in the link. This helps you avoid any lookalike or unofficial pages. Once you're on the Evernote homepage, look for an option that says Compare Plans. This is often found in the main navigation bar at the top of the page, or sometimes near pricing or upgrade buttons. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling slightly or looking for a link that mentions plans or pricing. Go ahead and click on Compare Plans. Clicking that link will take you to Evernote's dedicated plans comparison page. This page is designed to show the different subscription levels side by side, so you can quickly see what each one offers. Give the page a moment to load, then start by scanning across the top where the plan names are listed. Typically, you'll see options such as a basic or free plan, plus various paid tiers. Now take your time reviewing the details under each plan. You'll usually see rows of features, like how much storage you get, how many devices you can sync, whether you have access to advanced search, offline access, task management, or integrations with other apps. As you read through, think about how you actually use Evernote. For example, if you only take a few notes and use one device, a lower tier plan may be enough. If you rely on Evernote for work, collaborate with others, or store large files, a higher tier plan might be worth the investment. You can scroll down the page to see all of the feature comparisons. When you've identified the plan that matches your needs and budget, simply click on the button under that plan to proceed with it or learn more about it. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently compare Evernote plans and choose the one that works best for you.